Hello everyone, welcome to another segment of intellectual brainstorming and the academic excellence. Without much further ado, let us quickly dive into what we have today. So last time I've talked about the various mutual FPN fund, but it's many things that I've not done. So that's it, I'll finish it today by God's grace. So don't forget, me, I get money market fund and I'm trying to invest into maybe ALA or any other funds of securities out there under the FBN fund. And don't forget, not be only FBN do am, First Bank of Nigeria do am, other banks too, they are doing it. Standard IBTC do am. So, like I said, I know they advertise FBN, but the reason why I decided to take FBN is because me, I get investment for FBN. So please, don't get me wrong. Now, let's go to this first, the fifth one, which is the FBN dollar fund. Now, when we talk about the FBN dollar fund, it's actually for the big boys. Don't forget that it's actually for the big boys. So the FBN dollar fund is a fixed income mutual fund that provides income and capital appreciation by investing in what we call US dollar denominated debt instrument used by the Nigerian government and reputable corporate institution. So when you are at this one, for the people, now for the dollar. Now dollar is about 1,002 now, or more, maybe less than 300, but you don't fly more than 1,000 naira. Do you understand now? So if you have $1 now, it's equivalent to 1,200 naira. So if you have $1,000 now, that means 1.2 million. So you can imagine that where you won't get that kind of money, but God can provide, it is possible. So it's an instrument used by the Nigerian government and corporate institutions. So to get started, you have to invest the minimum of $1,000. $1,000. In this economy, $1,000 is not easy to get, but you can get it 1.2 million. Now, imagine if you invest 1.2 million, you are giving 10%, that is 120,000. So people will say it is too small, 120 is too small. Go and invest your money or go and start a business. If you are not there to handle that business by yourself, those people will take it, they will finish everything for you before you know it, everything is gone. But this one, somebody is managing the business for you and you are getting an interest every time. And don't forget, on the long term, if you consistently put that money there consecutively without relaxing, I can bet you're already a billionaire or a millionaire in the next few years. So you can just be gallivanting, enjoy yourself, traveling up and down, and having vacation with your families and that's because money don't need down to enjoy your future. Shake it down. So it's for the people. So you start with the minimum of $1,000. You understand now? Then that is for the retail investors, that is individuals like us. Me, I can get that $1,000 like those of God. There's nothing God cannot do. I can get it. So it's for the retail investors. But for the bigger boys, that is institutional investors, they will start with a minimum of $100,000. $100,000. That is 120 million. To start it under this one. That's why I said this one for the big boys. Here is for the big boys. So then they also pay out annually. They pay out annually. Now let's quickly look at the last one, but not the least, which is what I call the FBN Smart Better Equity Fund. Now the FBN Smart Better Equity Fund is a pure equity fund that invests your money predominantly in a portfolio of Nigerian companies. And what are the Nigerian companies, like the equity companies that we have been talking about? Nigerian companies, using a rigorous, what we call research-based and tested evaluation model. Don't forget evaluation model. So at least 75% of the fund assets will be invested in the diversified portfolio of high quality companies listed in the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Now, what are these high quality companies that we're talking about? High quality companies like Zenith, like Access, like Stanbic IBTC, like Dangote Cement, like Dangote Flowers, and the rest of them. Do you understand now? Those ones that are performing well on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, that's where they might likely invest 75% of your money into. Do you get it now? Don't forget it. And stock exchange. In order to manage liquidity, they may also invest 25%, the remaining 25% in what, in short-term money market instruments. You understand now? So the first one, they invest what, into the stock market. Then the remaining 25% they will now invest it into what, into the money markets, instruments, and what, and deposit with financial institutions, So this one, smart, being smart, better equity fund. If you are invested, you can put your money. You understand? But if you ask me, well, the decision is yours, but I will not say anything more than that. So the fund will provide long-term capital, preservation by investing in listed stock across all sectors of Nigerian stock exchange to get started. Now, how much you require? You will require nothing less than 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira to do that one also. So on this note, I am going to stop. We have 6 of them, which I have taken time to talk about them. So the choice is now yours to actually decide which one you want to put your money. Please. So I will enumerate it. I will list them. Number 1 is what is the FBN money market. Number 2 is what is the ALA fund. Number 3 is what is the FBN bond fund. Then the other one is what is the balance fund. Then the other one is what is the dollar fund, and the other one is what is the smart beta fund, making 6 of them. So the choice is yours to decide which of them you want to invest your money. The choice is yours. But before you invest your money, meet your portfolio manager for professional expertise advice, so that he will give you advice on how you will take which of them you will choose. Then you now decide finally by yourself, and this one I won't take. But like I told you, don't cast your head in one basket. You abeg, invest as much as you want in various investment portfolios and then securities, so that you can guarantee your future. Me, I won't guarantee my future, and I believe you too won't guarantee your future. A future with peace, rest of mind, no depression, no sickness, no hypertension, you understand those problems. Like the one I read this report this morning, a lady working in Globus or something like that. It was so pathetic, so sad, so bad. The lady committed suicide. You can imagine at that tender young age, she killed herself for nothing. Maybe probably she has been facing depression or loneliness, and there's nobody for there to actually assist her. But she's gone now. But that will not be her portion. Prepare well. Failing to plan is planning to fail. The future, your future, our future is in our hand. Let's use it judiciously. Till we meet next time, I remain your humble, loyal servant, David Oni. If you never subscribe, I beg you subscribe now. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.